Assalamu alaikum. Emo akwaba de ba home doctor service center. Obe usa se home doctor service center. Ede na omo ye. Anasa ede ade. Repairs in general. Home doctor service center ye oboasi. Nemo ye adwuma na ye na nationwide. Repairs. Be with data recovery. A repair control board, a vehicle control board, and I say track via control board. A repairs BTC, a repair laptops, and a repair mobile phones. The air can be answered, expect. And yes, sir, just says Dabi. The air cast a home doctor center in Nimibiano, a expect a woman. Ubetimi higher than Asoyape. Say the Medica Esika, no, Sisia, the headquarters of Obuasi. Oba Obuasi, the Ajidi Bibriohano. And Oba Kumasin Swa, and Kofonim Yepa. If fix laptops, if fix mobile phones, if fix any vehicle or any truck control board, if fix BBTC data recovery, like any storage device or any mobile phone data recovery na mami chire mu ye obu ono mu a SSD way obu an information kase den e woso but adena say ono so ni data woso say ekoba se sa data no ye betimi ekoba se a hardware issue we betimi recover data na ma ye betimi ayama and our pen drive information also. If you also have a mobile phone, if you also have a mobile phone, I say the mobile phone be a document. The document be a phone also. Our phone no person your phone not for the sake of use. Yes, be our phone no use. But the data now person recover the phone also. Anything over there, I know here. I don't know. You bet my day. I can be also bet my recover data na ma. En cover say fan call baby Emma the main CPU and I say the storage device and say in the hardware be a repair for be and say na and a technician for be and heating and say na you bet tomorrow cover data no the amount in TSA motherboard bia ade a yenye no hanam TV at Kopo the old TVs, you know. Mamina, I didn't know. The end of hand TV, no, at Kopo, any amp. Apart from that, you know,